Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's up you guys? I hope all of you guys are doing well. Today is a rainy day. Apparently it started out pretty sunny and I was actually gonna go to the lake and tan and just, start the summer off. And no, of course, on my day off, of course, it has to rain and storm. So we love that so much. So in today's video, I thought I would do a little mini haul. It's not a lot of products at all, but I definitely wanted to show you what I'm talking about when I do my Boxycharm unboxings and I talk about the pop-up site and I talk about the pop-up store that occurs on Boxycharm when you are a Boxycharm member. So yesterday I did receive a big box in the mail of the products that I ordered. You can't really see what's inside because it's stuffed with paper. So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. There are different tiers that you can sign up for, I guess you could say. I'm signed up for the base box, which is basically $25 a month, and then there is tax, of course, on top of that, but you get a base box once a month. I do have a playlist with all my Boxycharm unboxings and try-ons, but when you are a Boxycharm member, you do get access to their pop-up, which is basically a little sale, and they will sell some of the products that are already in the Boxycharm boxes. So if you got something maybe in the past and you really liked it, you can find it on the Boxy pop-up and repurchase it at a lower price. Or if you liked something that was in a premium box but you get a base box, you do have access to purchase it on the pop-up site, but again at a cheaper, affordable price. So I did go ahead and get 6 items from this pop-up, from not for June, this was for May's pop-up. So I guess we'll start off with skincare and then we'll end with makeup. So one of the items that I got is from Xoxo, I think is their name, and this is their makeup cleansing balm. So I do use like a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm to remove my makeup first, and then I will go in with my actual cleanser. So I always double cleanse, and I definitely recommend to double cleanse, and using a makeup wipe is not double cleansing, okay? Makeup wipes are for very lazy nights. So this is what the packaging looks like, and like I said, this is a cleansing balm, and when you open it, it has the little scoop that you can use so that way you're not using your fingers, and then that's what it looks like. You can see it's really solid, and basically it just turns oily in your hands and when you're massaging it into your skin, and then it just melts away your makeup, and we love that. So I am soon going to be in need of something to take off my makeup. Right now I have a micellar water that I'm using first before washing my face, so I'm about to be out of that. So next will be this, and I was about to purchase, just go to any drugstore and purchase a cleansing oil from Neutrogena or something, but then I saw that they had a few options on Boxycharm pop-up, and I was like, yay. And that balm was, I paid $9 for it, but the actual price, if I would go and purchase it from their actual site, it would have been $34. So $34, I paid $9. So this balm was 74% off on Boxycharm pop-up. So this product here, I thought would have been a little bit bigger, but I guess it makes sense because this is a pricier skincare brand. So it's almost like a travel size. I would say it's a little bit bigger than a travel size item. This is 3.3 floral ounces, but it is a toner, and this is a clean skincare brand. And this is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA tonic toner, basically. So this is just to kind of help brighten up your complexion, and just add some radiance to your skin. So yeah, so this is not the full size version, I don't think, unless there's maybe different sizes that you can purchase off of their site, but this is the size that Boxycharm was selling. So again, this is what it looks like to my face. So it's not super tiny, but it's not definitely as big as their normal, they're bigger, I guess normal size ones are. So this one normally goes for $20. This exact size goes for $20, and I again spent $9, which was a 55% off deal. So I'm so excited. And I'm not really into toners a whole lot. I don't buy them a whole lot, but this one here just kind of pulled me in and intrigued me. And I'm dealing with just a whole lot of like dark spots, and I really do want to brighten up my complexion. And it does have AHAs in it, which is great, so I need to try it. This is the Sunshine Dew from Earth Harbor, and this is a antioxidant cleansing oil. It has sea kelp and papaya enzymes. So this is 2 4 ounces, and this goes for $24. And again, I spent $9, so this was a 63% off deal. And isn't this? You can see her like trying to get comfortable. Hey, can we not scratch right now? Mommy's filming. She's literally staring at me like, do I care? Sit. But anyways, yeah, so isn't this like the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in the entire world? Probably not, but I mean, this is gorgeous. I love the way this looks. And yeah, this is a cleansing oil. So again, I like to double cleanse. So I will use either this or this to remove my makeup, and then I will go in with a normal, hey. And then I will go in with a normal cleanser. And I'm not going to open up both of these at the same time. I'll use one or the other, and then when I'm done, I will move on to the next one. This is from the Cream Shop, I think is what it's called. And it says it includes a brush and spoolie, and it is basically a brow powder. So it's called the Holy Brow Eyebrow Powder Trio. So it says peep the shade, which means that you can lift this up and see the shade. So when I purchased this is in a shade medium, and when I purchased it, it looked a lot lighter. Like, it didn't give me the options to, I don't think, choose a shade. It just had one shade chosen. And I didn't realize I wanted it to be a little bit lighter, actually, because I do plan on going a little bit lighter for summer. So I wanted to get prepared and have some brow products that would match my hair a little bit better, because I feel like my brow products that I have now are a little bit too dark. But this is what it looks like. So I am super excited. Isn't this the cutest like packaging ever though? So of course you get your little spoolie, and then this is actually a powder, so it's not a wax. I don't like the waxes really that come with these types of brow trios. So this is actually a powder. So I think basically what you do is you'll use these two shades to fill in your brows. You can use both or one of them. And then you will use this shade to kind of just like highlight and just kind of add some dimension. So yeah, so obviously I won't be able to use this shade when I'm lighter, but I probably will still be able to get away with using maybe this shade here. But yeah, this, guys, I'm not even that mad about it, because when I tell you how much I paid for it, I paid $3 for this. So normally this goes for $12, which isn't like the most expensive thing ever, but still I'm only paying $3 out of $12. So this was 75% off. And the packaging is so cute. Next I got, okay, first of all, don't come for me. Do not come for me, okay? I got a bronzer. I know. I just decluttered. I got rid of a few. I know. But this one was from Ciate London, and guys, I love majority of the things from Ciate London. When it comes to complexion anyways, I have a blush that I absolutely love from them. I have a setting powder that I absolutely love from them. I do have an eyeshadow palette that isn't my favorite. But when I saw that they were selling a bronzer on the pop-up site from Ciate, I was like, I think I need that. They were giving you different options. I got Palm Island, which I don't quite remember if this was the medium shade, or I don't think it was the lightest shade. But yeah, I already kind of fingered up the packaging. But this is what the packaging looks like. Isn't this like the cutest? Like, I just love their packaging. It's so freaking cute. And this is what the bronzer looks like. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you can see. It has stars in it. It's so cute. It is a warmer bronzer, which is fine for the summertime, but I'm just so excited to use it. It doesn't smell, no, it doesn't smell like anything. And this is just called the Bamboo Bronzer from Ciate London. And this bronzer normally goes for $28. So if I would go to, like, you know, Sephora or even Ciate London's site and purchase this, I would be paying $28. But I got it for, guess how much? $9. I didn't plan to get everything for $9. Like, it just ended up happening that way. But yeah, so I saved 68% on this bronzer. $9. It almost feels like when you go to TJ Maxx and you get high-end makeup there, although you don't really know if it's like expired and why it's there. This makeup is not expired. Honestly, I don't know how Boxycharm does it. I really don't. So don't mind my hair. I literally am just having like a very relaxed day today. It's brushed and everything, but I need to get like a flat iron and go through it and stuff. But yeah, anyways, this is a mascara, and guys, I am so excited to try this mascara because this is a bougie mascara. This isn't only high-end, this is bougie high-end. Okay, this is probably the bougiest mascara I own now, okay, that I ever owned, by the way. So this mascara does go though for $27, which I was actually surprised. Like, $27 is expensive. Like, almost $30 for a mascara is 100% expensive, especially when you can go to the drugstore and get one for, you know, depending on which mascara you can get one for $5, you can get one for $8, you can get one for, you know, $11, you know, whatever it may be. But $30 almost for a mascara, it's still pricey, but for the brand, I was actually expecting it to be more. So this goes for $27. I spent $12. So I spent drugstore pricing for this mascara. It was 56% off, and it is the Marc Jacobs Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. And I'm so excited. I got mine in blacker, like lacquer, but blacker. I think it's blacker. I don't know, but it's shade 42. But that's the shade I got. And I'm gonna go through some of my mascaras first. I'm honestly thinking about not even opening this up until I can just focus on this mascara. If I really like this mascara, then I'm not gonna mind obviously only using this mascara. But I don't want to open it up and then only use it once in a while, and then it gets either dried out or I don't use it enough within the 6-month time frame. So I really want to make sure that I do spend a lot of time using this mascara. So I'm not going to open it up anytime soon because I do have quite a few mascaras that I have open and that I'm trying to work through. But I cannot wait to open up this bad boy. The packaging is like black and gold, and it is just so pretty. And yeah, it's not that heavy though. I was picturing it a little bit more heavy just because it's Marc Jacobs, guys. It's Marc Jacobs, okay? But yeah, so that is everything. Again, it's not much of a difference from my Boxycharm unboxings because Boxycharm does give you 5 full-size products in their boxes. So I will be doing a June unboxing when I get my Boxycharm box for the month of June. I have not received that yet, but it's still very early on in the month. But yeah, just wanted to give you a little sneak peek, a little, you know, let you see, you know, what you can get off of Boxycharm Pop-Up if you do have it. I'm not an affiliate with them by any means. I'm not partnered with them or anything. I just love Boxycharm, and I thought I would share with you guys what I got. If you want me to continue to do these types of videos where if I do purchase some things from Boxycharm Pop-Up, do a haul and show you, I can do more of these videos. Normally I just do my Boxycharm unboxings, and then if I do order anything from Pop-Up, I don't really like show it. But yeah, if you want me to show you, I can continue to do these videos, so go ahead and let me know. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That will definitely help a girl out. And if you have not joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, because I would love for you to join the family on this side of the internet. Until next time, bye. This, like, what is this? Why is it like up like that?